Hi everyone, welcome back to Wiggin with Christi. I'm Christi. Today I'm bringing you a review of a Henry Margu piece called Mariah in the color 88GR. Henry Margu sent me this piece, but this is my own thoughts and opinions. So Mariah is a new style for 2023. She is cute. She reminds me a lot of some other styles out there from some other manufacturers, right? This cute little bob. She can kind of flick out if you want her to flick out. She can kind of go under if you want her to go under. She has like this, it's like tapered under, I feel like, but I think there is somewhere you could get a little bit, it's layered in the bottom section. It has these incredible bangs. I love the bangs on these. And, you know, we have that gradual bang as well. This piece is really adorable, but it's also very affordable because it is a basic cap construction. You can get this off your face, you know, or not off the face, but like you can play around with it and style it. I have it just parted here on the left. Keep in mind there is going to be permatease if you change that part up. Now, one of my favorite tips with controlling permatease is rubbing the hands together for some heat friction. So if you wanted this to lay down a little flatter, it doesn't stick up for me. I think it's done really nicely, but let's say you wanted that to lay a little flatter there and to just kind of have that permatease lay a little flatter. You can go like this with the heat friction, and you might need to do that a couple times as well. Now it does have permatease all throughout this cap, all in here in the crown, the sides, the nape, the ear tabs. It is full of permatease. If you love simply any bob with bangs, I'm thinking Paige by Envy. I mean, this wig is just incredible. And I love the feel of Henry Margu fibers. They're one of my favorite fibers because they just feel so lightweight. They feel very natural. This is like an everyday workhorse wig. I really feel this is a workhorse wig. This, because it's not heat-friendly fiber, you're not gonna have to worry about this on your collars. Now we're getting into some sweater weather, we're getting into some jacket weather. So you are gonna want something like this in your wig closet for that. I really do like that. Now I love this 88GR color. It's a beautiful blonde color, and I'll go ahead and do some color descriptions here when we do some spins, as well as the measurements of this wig. So let's go ahead and dive into that segment of this video.
Let's look at color 88GR. It is a light wheat blonde with dark strawberry blonde highlights and dark brown roots. The measurements for Mariah have a bang of 3.5 inches, ear tab of 7 inches, nape of 3.5 inches. The sides are 5 to 7 inches, and the overall length is 11 inches. The back is 3.5 to 8.5, so you're going to get some layers in there. This weighs 3.25 ounces.
All right, so leave me your final thoughts on Mariah. I'd love to hear from you. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have your support. If you want to subscribe, you can click that little word down there by Wiggin with Christi, and it will say subscribe, and you just click that. And if you click the little bell, it will notify you too if I ever put out new videos. So down below is also in the description box how you can connect with Henry Margu and their social media pages as well. And down below is some links of how you can connect with me. Don't forget to shine bright, love others, and be kind. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.